How to remove shoe polish out of carpet. Upon discovering the shoe polish stain, scrape away as much as you can using a dull edge, taking care not to spread the stain. With a sponge, apply dry cleaning fluid to the shoe polish stain, blotting it until all of the liquid has disappeared. Next, mix 2 cups of warm water with 1 teaspoon of liquid dish soap and 1 tablespoon of ammonia. Apply the solution directly onto the shoe polish stain with a paper towel. Be sure to continually use a clean side of the towel. Continue to blot the shoe polish stain, slowly absorbing the liquid. Pour cold water directly onto the stain and continue blotting until dry. Another method is to take a white cloth and pour a generous amount of non-acetone nail polish remover directly onto it. Gently rub the affected area of the carpet with this rag. Mix 2 cups of cold water with 1 tablespoon of laundry detergent. Be sure to use detergent that is a non-bleach formula. Apply this detergent directly onto the stain using a white cloth and scrub the stain. Take 1 cup of water and mix it with 1 tablespoon of general household ammonia. Dip a clean white cloth in this solution and continue scrubbing the carpet. Rinse the shoe polish stain away with a generous amount of warm tap water and then blot, dry, or vacuum away any moisture. For more spot cleaning solutions, visit spotremoval.coit.com.